Oh, hey, I'm here to teach you lung sounds. So our first lung sound we have, that's wheezing. That's wheezing. That's really, really tight lung, bronchoconstriction. Let's listen again. Okay, that's rales. Rales, that's fluid in the lung. That's fluid in the lungs. We think about heart failure. Let's listen again. Okay, that's rhonchi. Rhonchi, that's junk in the lungs. Think about pneumonia. Think about infection, hypersecretion. Let's listen to one more. Whoa, I can hear that across the room. That's stridor. That is an upper airway sound. We think about anaphylaxis. We think about airway burns, croup, epiglottitis, foreign body airway obstructions. Hope you learned something new.